How to save videos on Telegram app. Open the Telegram app. You can see contacts here. Select any chat or group here. You can see videos and photos here. Select any photo. Click on three dots. Select Save to Gallery. Photo is successfully saved. Now select the video. Play the video. Click on three dots at the top. Click on Save to Gallery. Video is also saved to gallery. Go to the gallery. You can see both the photo and video are saved there. That's how you can save photos and videos to gallery of your phone. That's all from today. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload.